What if I told you that some of the most powerful healing medicines in the world are not found in a pharmacy, but in your kitchen? Every single day, your body is repairing itself. Tiny cells are rebuilding damaged tissues, your immune system is fighting silent battles against infections, and your organs are working tirelessly to keep you alive. But here's the shocking truth most people never realize. The speed and quality of that healing process depends heavily on what you eat. As a doctor who has spent decades studying the human body, I can tell you this with absolute confidence. The food you choose today can either slow down your body's natural repair system or dramatically accelerate it. Many people think healing only happens after surgery, illness, or injury. But the reality is that your body needs repair every single day. Muscles tear and rebuild, skin cells regenerate, the brain repairs microscopic damage. Even your blood vessels constantly heal from tiny stresses. Yet, unfortunately, modern diets often sabotage this natural process. People eat processed foods, sugary snacks, and nutrient-poor meals that leave their bodies struggling to rebuild and recover. Over time, this slows healing, weakens immunity, increases fatigue, and even accelerates aging. You may notice wounds taking longer to heal, muscle soreness lasting for days, frequent infections, constant tiredness. These are often signs that the body's repair system is not getting the nutrients it desperately needs. But the good news is this: certain foods contain extraordinary healing compounds that can dramatically support your body's recovery processes. Today, I want to share 3 powerful superfoods that help repair your body faster than you might imagine. These are not exotic or expensive ingredients. In fact, they are simple foods backed by strong nutritional science. Let's begin with the first one, and it might surprise you. The first superfood that powerfully supports body repair is eggs. For many years, eggs were misunderstood. People worried about cholesterol and avoided them. But modern research has revealed something remarkable. Eggs are one of the most complete healing foods nature has ever created. Think about it. An egg contains everything needed to grow a living chick. That means it holds a perfectly balanced package of proteins, vitamins, fats, and micronutrients designed to build and repair living tissue. The key reason eggs help repair the body is their protein quality. Your body repairs damaged tissues using amino acids, the building blocks of protein. Eggs contain all 9 essential amino acids your body cannot produce on its own. This makes egg protein one of the most biologically efficient proteins you can eat. When you exercise, when you recover from illness, or even when your skin heals from minor damage, these amino acids become the raw materials your body uses to rebuild. Eggs are also rich in nutrients like choline, vitamin B12, vitamin A, and selenium, all essential for cellular repair and immune function. Choline, for example, plays a critical role in repairing cell membranes. Your brain cells, muscle cells, and liver cells all rely on this nutrient to maintain structural integrity. Many people, especially older adults, are unknowingly deficient in choline. Eating eggs regularly can help correct this imbalance. But here is the important point I always tell my patients. It is not just about eating protein. It is about eating high-quality protein that the body can easily use. Eggs provide exactly that. The second superfood that dramatically supports healing is berries, especially blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries. These tiny fruits may look simple, but nutritionally, they are incredibly powerful. One of the biggest enemies of healing inside the body is something called oxidative stress. This happens when unstable molecules called free radicals damage cells and tissues. Oxidative stress slows healing, weakens immunity, and contributes to aging and chronic disease. Berries are loaded with antioxidants, natural compounds that neutralize these damaging molecules. Blueberries in particular contain anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that protect cells, reduce inflammation, and improve blood flow. Why does this matter for healing? Because when blood flow improves, oxygen and nutrients reach damaged tissues more efficiently. This allows your body to repair muscles, skin, and organs faster. Patients recovering from surgery, athletes recovering from intense exercise, and even individuals experiencing chronic fatigue often benefit from antioxidant-rich foods like berries. And the benefits go even deeper. Berries also help reduce inflammation. Inflammation is part of the body's healing response, but when it becomes excessive, it actually slows recovery and damages tissues. Antioxidants help regulate this process, so healing can occur in a balanced way. This is why many doctors and nutrition researchers now recommend including berries regularly in the diet, not as a dessert, but as a daily healing food. But now we come to the third superfood, and this one might be the most powerful of all. In fact, in hospitals and medical nutrition programs, this food is often recommended to help patients recover faster after illness or surgery. And what makes this superfood so extraordinary is that it works on multiple healing systems in the body at the same time. In the next part, I will reveal what that food is, and more importantly, how you should eat it to unlock its full healing power. Because surprisingly, most people eat it the wrong way and lose many of its powerful benefits. Now let's continue. In the first part, we talked about how eggs provide the essential building blocks your body needs to rebuild damaged tissue, and how antioxidant-rich berries protect your cells and speed up recovery. But now we come to the third superfood, and this one works like a master healer inside the body. That food is fatty fish, especially salmon, sardines, and mackerel. These fish contain one of the most powerful healing nutrients known to medical science, omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s are not just another healthy fat. They play a critical role in reducing inflammation, repairing cell membranes, supporting brain health, and accelerating recovery after injury or illness. Let me explain why this matters. Whenever your body experiences stress, whether it's from exercise, infection, injury, or even daily wear and tear, inflammation naturally occurs. This is part of the healing process. But modern lifestyles often push inflammation into overdrive. Poor diets, high sugar intake, chronic stress, and lack of sleep can cause inflammation to remain active far longer than it should. When inflammation becomes chronic, it actually slows healing instead of helping it. This is where omega-3 fatty acids become incredibly valuable. They help regulate the body's inflammatory response, calming excessive inflammation while still allowing normal healing to occur. This balance is essential for repairing muscles, joints, blood vessels, and even brain tissue. Omega-3s also strengthen the structure of cell membranes. Think of your cells as tiny houses. Their outer walls, the membranes, protect the inside and control what nutrients enter and leave. Omega-3 fats help keep those membranes flexible, strong, and functional. This improves communication between cells and allows repair signals to travel more efficiently throughout the body. Research has shown that people who regularly consume omega-3 rich foods often experience faster muscle recovery, improved heart health, and stronger immune responses. In medical settings, omega-3 nutrition is sometimes used to support recovery after surgery because it helps the body control inflammation and rebuild tissues more effectively. But here is something many people do not realize. The quality and preparation of fatty fish matters. Deep frying fish, for example, can damage these delicate omega-3 fats and reduce their healing benefits. Instead, baking, grilling, or lightly steaming fish preserves these powerful nutrients. Eating fatty fish 2 or 3 times per week can provide a steady supply of omega-3s that support your body's natural repair systems. Now, when you combine these 3 foods, eggs, berries, and fatty fish, something remarkable happens. Your body receives the 3 key elements it needs for faster healing: high-quality protein to rebuild tissue, powerful antioxidants to protect cells, healthy fats to control inflammation and repair cell membranes. This combination supports nearly every repair process happening inside your body. But there is one more important lesson I always share with my patients. Healing foods work best when they are consistent habits, not occasional choices. Eating one healthy meal does not change your body overnight, but nourishing your body with the right nutrients day after day creates a powerful environment for recovery, strength, and long-term health. Simple daily habits can make a profound difference. Start your morning with eggs for protein and brain-supporting nutrients. Add a handful of berries to yogurt, oatmeal, or smoothies to flood your body with antioxidants. Include fatty fish in your meals a few times each week to nourish your heart, brain, and immune system. These small choices quietly support your body's natural ability to repair itself. And remember something deeply important about your body. It is not fragile. It is incredibly intelligent, resilient, and capable of healing. when you give it the right tools. Food is not just fuel. Food is information for your cells. It tells your body how to function, how to protect itself, and how to rebuild. When you choose nutrient-rich foods, you are sending powerful signals of healing throughout your entire system. So the next time you sit down for a meal, ask yourself one simple question. Is this meal helping my body repair or making its job harder? That single question can transform your health over time. Take care of your body with wisdom, patience, and respect. The small choices you make today will shape your strength, energy, and vitality for years to come. And remember, sometimes the most powerful medicine is not found in a bottle. It is found on your plate.